there, gamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix the match desynchronized connection error in Multiversus. If you're experiencing this error, don't worry, it's not a serious issue. You can simply jump back into matchmaking and try again. But if you're tired of getting kicked from PvP matches, let's dive into some solutions. Fix 1. Turn off crossplay. Crossplay can be a great feature, but it can sometimes cause connection and network stability issues. So if you're experiencing desyncs, try turning off crossplay in Multiversus. This will limit matchmaking to the same platform you're on, improving your connection in your matches. Fix 2. Restart the router or modem. A faulty internet connection can be the reason for this error, so here's what you can do. Turn off your router. Wait for 10 seconds, and then restart it again. This simple step can often resolve the issue. Fix 3. Use a Premium VPN. If you're still experiencing problems, you can try using a Premium VPN. A VPN can help improve your connection speed and stability. Simply sign up for a good VPN service like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, install their app, and connect to the VPN using the default location for the best speed. If you're in a region where the game is restricted, you can manually select a location in the USA. Once you're connected, launch the game, and you should be good to go without any speed problems. That's all for today's video. We hope these solutions help you fix the match desynchronized connection error in Multiversus. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Merry gaming!